Hey guys, this is 6-month review of my GEYE 500 camera by Decathlon. Okay guys, let's get into the features. It can record up to Full HD 30 frames per second, HD 60 frames per second, and it has a wide angle of 130 degrees. Not much, but it is not bad. And is 8 megapixel, 1160 mAh, backup up to 2 hours, can go up to 128. This is the box. It says Wi-Fi. It supports Wi-Fi. It's waterproof up to 40 meters with this case, which is included in the box. Okay, let's see what's inside this box. Okay, let's see what you get inside the box. This is the user manual. This is the mount which you get. Flat mount and a curved mount. I have stuck the curved mount on my helmet. This is the cable you get. Micro USB. And you get this to attach to your camera. The thing about Decathlon cameras is that you can pause your video. It's a good feature actually. You can pause your recording and just capture the right thing instead of spending too much time on editing your videos. This is the camera button and this is the camera itself. It's 130 degree angles, you can see it here, and it's record up to 1080p Full HD 30 frames per second. And this is the USB AV output. This is where the SD card goes, guys. I have put the 2 GB SD card right now. Guys, let's turn it on. Says welcome to GEYE 500. And if I want to see what I captured, this is the button I click. See, this one is for settings. Get language, time, date, sound, LEDs. You can see this LEDs. I'll show you. When it's on, it's green like this, but when we record something, see, these LEDs blink red. You see what I captured? Click here, click once again, and you can see what I recorded. If I want to delete this, I'll click here once again. It gets deleted. You can view what you recorded. I'll show you some video samples which I've taken with this camera. To use the Wi-Fi, first you need to turn on the camera, and you need to put on the Wi-Fi by pressing this Wi-Fi button. Yeah, you can see Wi-Fi is on, symbol is here. You need to have the app. GEYE Connect. You need to first connect to, yeah, it's connected, and you can see what's it's seeing. You can view the videos you have taken. Guys, I bought this camera for 7,000 rupees, and it's worth the price, guys. It got 2-year warranty, and it's got quite good quality. It's not bad. And with this case, it's completely waterproof up to 40 meters. If you want a camera around 7,000 rupees, this is the camera to go for, guys. It's not bad. It can do the job quite good. And the videos come out from this are quite soft. I think you can use some editing softwares to color grade so it look more vibrant. Okay guys, hope you like this review. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And guys, we have reached 100 subscribers. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Peace out.